Did you know that 60% of US consumers order delivery or takeout at least once a week? And with 70% preferring to order directly from restaurants, having a solid online ordering system isn't just an option, it's a must. If your restaurant isn't taking advantage of online ordering, it's missing out on a massive revenue stream. Well, let's fix that with Menu Tiger. With Menu Tiger, you get a first-party online ordering system that puts you in control. No more relying on third-party platforms that take a cut of your profits. So, how does it work? Well, you deploy a menu QR code on your restaurant tables, storefront, or printed media like posters and flyers. Customers scan it with their phones, instantly accessing your digital menu without having to download apps. From there, they can browse, customize their order, and send it straight to your system. Orders are processed in real time, going directly to the right department, the kitchen, bar, or cashier, helping your staff stay efficient and organized. For takeout, customers can place their orders in advance and pick them up when they're ready, cutting down wait times and making the process smooth for both your team and your guests. Everything runs through your own system, meaning you get full control over pricing, promotions, and customer interactions without paying commissions or third-party platforms. Plus, with built-in sales insights and order tracking, you get the data that you need to make smarter business decisions. Whether you're a bustling restaurant, a cozy cafe, or a zooming food truck on the go, Menu Tiger adapts to your business needs. You can quickly customize your menu, update pricing, and manage promotions in real time, ensuring your online presence always reflects your current offerings. Look, at the end of the day, it's about making your life easier and your restaurant more profitable. And with Menu Tiger, you can do just that. So, why not see it in action? Reward yourself by setting up a restaurant online ordering system with Menu Tiger by clicking the link in the description box below. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.